guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, my name is Yolanda, or Yolanda in the City on TikTok and Instagram, and today we're going to be doing another DIY thrift flip. I'm going to turn this oversized gray blazer that I thrifted a few years ago into this Jacquemus look. So my original idea was to do it exactly like the Jacquemus Fall 2020 runway look, which was an attached blazer and skirt with a little cutout in the front. However, when I went in to cut the blazer, I accidentally cut it in the wrong place, and so it kind of just messed everything up. So I ended up cutting it all the way across, so now it's like a cropped blazer and a skirt, which I like a little more because I can wear the blazer on its own as well as the skirt. I just wanted to clear that up before getting into the video because it could get a little confusing when I mess up in the video, but you guys will see. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it.
I started off by laying out the blazer flat on the floor to cut out the back seam. Since it was so oversized, I wanted to give it a tighter fit. After I cut it, I lined up the raw edges and pinned about 1.5 inches from the original seam. Like I mentioned earlier, my original concept was to leave the back attached and only cut the front of the set, since that's how the original Jacquemus design was. However, I cut the blazer a little too low, so when I tried it on, the middle slit was not in the right place. So disregard this part and instead just cut straight across the entire blazer where you would like to crop it. Here I used a skirt to measure out how long I wanted the skirt, and I cut the excess fabric below the skirt. After that, I went ahead and sewed down the back seam. And here is where I went back and ended up cutting it straight across. After that, I folded in the hem about 1/2 inch from the bottom of the blazer. Here, I used a rotary cutter to even out the fabric on the top of my skirt. Then, I pinned down 1/2 inch from the top and bottom of my skirt for the hem. Then I sewed that down. Since I wanted to make the skirt asymmetrical, I tried it on and I marked where I wanted it to sit. Then, using some clasps that I ordered on Amazon, I'll link them in the description, I sewed them on to where I marked by hand. And this is how the set turned out. It didn't turn out exactly like the Jacquemus design, but I feel like I'll be able to get more use out of each piece since I can wear them individually. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.